I just want to thank you guys for watching my web series, Hiking with Kevin, and for tagging along on some of my hikes. We found a lot of cool trails and some really interesting, fun guests.
And I say this as a friend. Your questions are terrible, but, no, I mean in a good way.
Well, I see the red
know it's on.
I've been in this business a long time.
It's on.
I know when a camera's rolling.
Why are you so suspicious?
Well,
Where did you come up with the idea to do this show?
Do you think you look good from the back?